Hi everyone, I'm Soraya. Thank you for joining me. So this is the last in the commission series. There's 4 paintings all together, and I wanted again something very different for her this last painting. Again, it's on a very large canvas, 36 by 48, and 3 colors, white, gold, and silver. Those were it. And each time I wanted something different for my client. And I love the way this one turned out. Let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Keep watching, you'll see what I mean.
If you're new to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe. It really helps my channel out. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.
I just have my sponge and I put a little bit of the acrylic white paint on it and put it on the blank canvas, flat. I'm going to cover the whole canvas in this manner. So I know it's hard to tell, but it is completely covered in the white acrylic paint. The whole thing is covered in just white. And then we're gonna go on to the next step. Okay, so I have my brand new kitchen sponge. This is the scrubby part. I don't wanna use that. So I just have a bit of iridescent gold. You can see how much I have it. I'm gonna kind of loosely put it kind of all the way across here. It's gonna be, it is an abstract. That's what I'm working towards. So I'm gonna do that, starting with this gold. Only gold so far. So here we go. I don't want it to be right in the middle, so I'm going to go below what I think would be middle. So maybe around there. And I like seeing that kind of thing. Ooh, nice. Having that texture. And just keep, oops, that's a bit much, but I'm going to work with that. Now I've got the same sponge and I added some more of the iridescent gold, and I'm just going to bring down a stripe coming down this way. I just put some more of the gold to get a little bit more texture along here. I like that. And I'll leave it at that. So this commission is just the 3 colors, black, white, not black, no black at all, white, gold, and silver. And here's the silver part. So I've already added the white as a background, the gold, and here's the silver. So I'm just gonna add kind of underneath some of this. And this is a new sponge, it's dry. Same as the other one, it was dry.
I haven't added anything to the sponge. It's just paint straight out of the tube and onto the dry sponge.
Not sure that I want this all the way down, so I'm just going to remove some of it. Again, this is a damp paper towel. Not liking this part here either, so I'm going to take it off. Okay, since I have some of the silver here, I'm going to put some of the silver along here. I'm going to do the same thing along here.
It's at this point that I kind of got lost in the painting and found the magic within it. I was struggling a bit to really kind of go in a direction that I thought would look beautiful in the end. And after I started doing this, everything changed. It all came together so beautifully in the end, and I was super happy with the results.
I'm noticing that in comparison to this end, there's a lot of points, so I'm gonna get rid of those points just by bringing things up a little bit more. There, a little bit is okay. Okay, so it's been a couple of days and I decided I don't want to change a thing about it. I really like the way it's looking. Now you can see kind of here in the middle that it looks kind of dark. It really is just shadows. When I go up close, you can see that it isn't dark at all. There's a beautiful, vibrant silver and gold happening all through it. It is just shadows. And that kind of reminds me of right here, kind of people on a boat. I don't know. Water reflecting, I don't know. Let me know what you think about this painting. I've got up close images coming up, and it really is amazing what can be created with just a kitchen sponge. That's all it was, a kitchen sponge. And I created this beautiful abstract work. Let me know if you're gonna try it, and click on the link you see now to see more of my kitchen sponge paintings.